I once faced a fridge full of spoiled food. Frustrated, I learned how a refrigerator works. It uses a cycle of evaporation and condensation to cool. The compressor compresses refrigerant, turning it into a hot gas. And as it cools, it becomes a liquid, absorbing heat from inside the fridge. This simple cycle keeps food fresh. I started organizing my fridge better, placing items strategically to allow airflow. Now, my food lasts longer and I waste less. Understanding this process changed my habits. Try it, and you might find your fridge working more efficiently too.